بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله وحده وصلى الله وسلم على من لا نبي بعده وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. I heard brother Akhi Ayman a few moments ago speak about TikTok, and something very funny happened. In Leeds, you know, I spoke to one of the elderly Pakistani uncles and I asked him, how are you? He said, TikTok. I said, how are you? He said, TikTok. I said, you saw me on TikTok? He says, no, TikTok. I said, what do you mean? He said, TikTok. So I looked at him and I said, Uncle, you're so old, do you watch TikTok? He says, no, since I'm small, TikTok. I said, since you are small, meaning since he was little? He says, yes, TikTok.